Healthy skin means having skin that looks and feels good. It is skin that is smooth, glowing, and well moisturized. Healthy skin doesn't have any pimples, dry patches, or oily. We all want healthy skin instead of relying on skincare products. You can achieve it through daily habits by adding simple routines to your day. You can naturally improve the health and appearance of your skin. Here's some. Spending some time outdoors in the sun can help your body produce vitamin D, which is essential for healthy skin. However, remember to protect your skin with sunscreen and limit sun exposure to avoid damage. Hot water can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and inirritation. Opt for lukewarm water instead and limit your shower time to avoid over-drying your skin. Incorporate natural ingredients into your skincare routine, such as honey, aloe vera, or coconut oil. These can provide hydration, soothe irritation, and nourish your skin. Advanced tip: manage humidity levels. Dry indoor air can strip moisture from your skin. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, especially during dry seasons or in heated environments.